Hello drone enthusiasts, welcome back to your reviews. I'm thrilled to have you here as we dive into the exhilarating world of 4K drones. Before we embark on this exciting journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're as excited about drones as we are. Now, let's soar into the skies with our top picks for the best 4K drones this year. From breathtaking aerial footage to advanced features, we've got the lowdown on the game changers that are set to redefine your drone experience. Stay tuned and let's explore the skies together. Our journey begins with the HYTOBP S177, a featherweight drone at only 173 grams. Armed with dual cameras supporting 4K photo and 1080p video, this drone is a traveler's dream, capturing stunning aerial shots with its motorized 90 degrees adjustable lens. Safety takes center stage with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance technology and optical flow positioning, ensuring a stable flight. Beginners will appreciate the brushless motor, 45-minute flight time, and intuitive controls featuring one-key takeoff or land. Plus, a plethora of flight functions adds a dash of excitement to your flying adventures. Next up is the KF110, a foldable wonder weighing under 250 grams. Its intelligent obstacle sensing capabilities and upgraded high-definition electric tuning lens promise clear, beautiful footage. With dual cameras and enhanced anti-jamming performance, this drone is a stable performer both indoors and outdoors. Perfect for novices, it's a breeze to control, providing smooth and stable footage even in challenging conditions. Entering the top 3, we have the Potensic Atom, a palm-sized marvel weighing less than 249 grams. Boasting a 3-axis gimbal, it delivers 4K/30 frames per second quickshots with a 96-minute flight time. This drone excels in visual tracking and offers a fly more combo with a range of features, including precise vision tracking, quick shots, and a lightweight design suitable for both adults and beginners. With photo-supported firmware, it ensures an ever-improving flight experience. In the runner-up position, the DJI Mini 3 steals the spotlight with its lightweight build under 249 grams. Ideal for adventures, it features 4K HDR video capabilities, true vertical shooting, and a remarkable 38-minute flight time. Equipped with quick shots and the new DJI RC with a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, this drone promises a smooth flying experience, even in challenging wind conditions. And now, the crowned champion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone requires no registration, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Unleash stunning 4K/60 frames per second HDR vertical videos thanks to its intelligent Flight Battery Plus. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, extended battery life, and 20 km FHD video transmission, this drone provides an unparalleled immersive aerial experience.